You're probably maybe wondering where I've been, why I haven't been cooking, all that. At the moment, I'm still in Utah. I'm heading towards nice bike, Vernal to the Walmart, which is like a hour each way. Need a few things. I just passed the drilling company I worked for 20 years ago, and got knocked off an oil rig, fell 20 feet, landed on a mountain. Took me years to rehabilitate from that. Utah hasn't been great for me. I came this time to take care of Mom. She passed away. Fell into depression, and I'm pretty much over the depression now, but anxiety's not helping. Yeah, Utah's not for me, apparently. Nice place to visit. I just can't live here. So, my plan is to pack things up, move back to Chicago, be with my honey. I've got the dog, Mom's dog, Lulu, and I adopted a cat while I was here, a kitten, and I've got the scars to prove it. Anyway, most of the stuff's going in storage. I tried doing a yard sale and nobody really showed up. It was a waste of time. I'll come back eventually with get a U-Haul and haul stuff back to Chicago with me, but that's an adventure for another day. Right now, just me, the dogs, and what I need to get there. Packed up and moved to Beverly. Anyway, so that's what's been happening. I've also been working on a novel, a cozy mystery. I kind of find I love apocalyptic fiction, zombie stories, end of the world. That I've been working on something with that for a long time. Oh, just saw my first Tesla truck, and it does look like a aluminum wedge. Anyway, of all places to see one here in the middle of nowhere, Utah. Where were we? The novel. Discovered that I actually have a nice little niche for cozy mysteries. So I'm working on the series. I've finished the first one. It's in beta. I have people reading it, telling me what's wrong, and I may have to completely rewrite that one. Last night I sat up playing with Google's AI, Gemini, just bouncing ideas off of it, and it helped me work out a really good outline for the second book of the series. It makes mistakes, and sometimes you'll tell it one thing and it forgets, or another nice bike, goes in another direction, or you have to. It's a lot like talking to a person who tries to take your idea and runs with it in a different direction. You got to keep it on track. like I said, it makes mistakes, and it's still. But the more I fed it, the closer it got to what I was wanting. So it worked out. I'll definitely have more to pronounce once I'm closer to publication and all that. I'll probably just self-publish on Amazon. I may submit it to a cozy publisher. It's going to be novella length, half the size of a regular book. And this publisher specializes in novella length cozies. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's where life's been. Writing, depressing, planning. I haven't used my Omnia camp oven lately. I've don't have my griddle with me, so, and I'm trying to clear out the fridge and freezer, and so there's been a lot of ramens, soups, hamburgers and stuff like that, just to pipeline that came through by my house. I could have, I guess, taken, I think I'm someplace close to my storage units too. I forgot all about them. I should look for those. Completely distracted by you guys. You're not helping. Anyway, that's what's going on with life. I wonder if I passed them. Nope, there they are. Right there. Oh, they got Penske trucks. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. Yeah. I actually think I've lost some weight. Just noshing lately. Which I really need to lose the weight, because I've just been sitting around for all winter. Utah has not been good to me. I need to get back to an ocean or the Gulf. Yeah, Chicago's got the Great Lakes. Anyway, thanks for putting up with me. Thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for supporting me.